Hey guys, we're out here at White Pines Nature Preserve, part of the TLC Triangle Land Conservancy. Checking out some of the trails. We're going to start on the White Pines Trail, hop over to the River Trail, hop back onto a different one. Just kind of hit a few of the trails as we go through here. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you along the way. We cut down onto the River Trail. We found a nice little section of white pines, Pinus strobus, a tree that's normally not found in the Piedmont, normally found up in the mountains. Really cool little microclimate of mountain laurels and the white pines. Pretty cool so far. Alright, we just entered another really cool section. We're down on the edge of the river, and there's all these huge hackberries, easy 100-foot tall hackberries, just right conditions to grow huge. I'll tell you, I'm really digging this place. It's a nice terrain. Nobody's out here. Pretty cool.